Right, if there's one thing that Lenovo is known for, it's introducing some pretty bonkers rollable display concepts at CES. And this arguably has to be one of the most mental. Now, if you're like me and you do a lot of gaming, ultra-wide displays have become my go-to. But obviously in a gaming laptop, you don't necessarily get that. Which is where the Lenovo Legion Pro Rollable comes in, which can go from a 16-inch all the way up to a 24-inch 24:9 ultra-wide display. Perfect for all of that extra gameplay that you may have in your peripheral view. This is all done via some pretty impressive, like, durable hinging going on here to kind of like stretch the display to a full view, which honestly is pretty mind-blowing. It's tested for up to 25,000 expansions and contractions, so you're getting long-term durability out of this too. And it does all this while weighing under 3 kilograms. Yes, in laptop world, that is still the weight of a small country, but that is pretty much the normal weight of a gaming laptop. And when you look at it from a side-on profile, obviously the display bit is a bit thicker, but it's your standard chunky gaming laptop that you can kind of get with it. And of course, it's a Legion Pro, so you can max it out with an RTX 5090 GPU in there, alongside an Intel Core Ultra 9 processor to really maximize the refresh rate of this display. Gaming becomes all the more cinematic with a much wider display like this. And let's say, for example, if you're trying to do some sim racing on the go and you've got your save put onto here, you've got the ultra wide to be able to see cars passing you, even though there's people sim racing online, still don't have that peripheral vision. I see you, person on iRacing. So as somebody who games frequently on the go with a laptop, I must say the opportunity to have something like this happen would be quite a significant breakthrough if this ever comes out of prototype. So I ask of you now, Lenovo, make this happen and we can be best friends. But I want to know what you think. Would you pick up a crazy display concept like the Lenovo Legion Pro Rollable to give you that ultra-wide cinematic gaming experience? Go ahead and let me know in the comments. And for more bonkers concepts from the likes of Lenovo, subscribe to Tom's Guide. I've been Jason England, and I'll catch you in the next one.